Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a wood-burning stove that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plate. Let's set a 1x2 plate on the left hand side. Now let's take a 2x2 modified plate with Technicolor on one side. Let's place the angular plate on the left hand side. Take another 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plate, place a 1x1 plate on the right hand side, and let's place this on the right hand side of the 2x2 modified plate. Just be sure that the Technicolor is on this side. Now on the bottom left, set down a 1x1 modified plate with holder, and yes, that is reddish brown. We're going to have to be careful. Now we're going to set a transparent orange feather for a flame. Make sure that the flame is all up against this stud on the right hand side. For the base, take a set of 1x2 by 2x2 downwards angular plates. We're going to place one on the left hand side and another one on the right hand side on the 1x1 plate. Now take a 1x2 by 2 wall element with a window cut out. Let's place a piece of glass inside. And on the top portion, set down a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 flat tile. Let's slide in our door assembly. Should fit right in between the angular plates. And take a 1x2 modified plate with holder. We're going to put it right on this side right here. And let's wrap around the top with a pair of 1x2 by 2x2 downwards angular plates. This will give us a nice enclosure for the wood burning stove. Now let's finish off these studs with some tiles. So I'm going to set a 2x4 flat tile on the top and on the sides a set of 2x2 flat tiles. Now let's flip this over, and in the bottom center a 2x2 flat tile. This one may have to muscle in a bit. For the legs, let's start with a pair of 1x2 modified round plates. Set these on like so. And let's take some modified 1x1 plates with stick. We're going to place these inside these tubes. If you have 4 of these, you can fill all 4 of the tubes in with these type of plates. If you don't have those, you can always use some studs. I'm going to place some studs on the back portion. Now, let's flip it over. In this area, I'm going to take a tooth or a horn, whatever these things are called, and I'm going to stick this right here for a little handle. Now let's take a 2 stud long tube and a friction pin. Place the friction pin on one end. We're going to make several of these. I'm going to make 3 for this tutorial and place these on top of one another. This is going to be our chimney stack. Now I'm going to keep these notches on one side. This is going to face the wall. Let's set our chimney inside the Technicolor. Just snaps right in place. Sure, our notches are in the back, and this can be easily inserted into a room. Here I have a portion. Let's set these right on top of these 2 studs. Sits right in place. Just drops right in, so you can practically drop this in any room. It's even the right height for minifigures. Here you have Jay the Surfer. Going to warm up right by the wood burning stove.